To use the living room TV, use this white remote. Press this button in the bottom left to turn on the TV and the Google TV box behind it. Then you should see, after it boots up, something like this. All of these apps need to be configured with your username if you want to use them, except for the YouTube TV, which is your live streaming option, just like any cable TV. On the live section, you're able to select any channel you want, just like you're used to. Please don't buy anything, since this goes to my personal account. If you press the home button, you will come back to the main menu. The input, which can be selected with the bottom right button, is set to Google TV, which should be HDMI4. None of this needs to change. Don't use the built-in apps at this Visio TV, just use Google TV at all times. This remote also allows you to change the volume with these buttons on the side. Thank you.